Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here every homeowner's dream. The charming, private 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathroom, 3,280 square feet home sits on over an half an acre of well-fruited land in the prime location of Beverly Hills. While taking a stroll throughout the property, you will find well-maintained terrace garden spaces and an entertainment deck which offers spectacular city views. On entering the home, you will be greeted by elegant marble floors and high ceilings. There is a main family room and a formal living room, as well as a formal dining room just off the kitchen. A few paces down the passage, and you will find the bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, not to mention the spacious master bedroom, complete with a lounge area, walk-in closet, and bathroom with jetted bathtub and shower combination. The home boasts luxuries such as AC bedrooms, staff quarters with bathrooms, laundry room, double car covered carport, ample parking for multiple vehicles, electronic gate, 2 water tanks, hurricane shutters, and a 4.5 kilowatt generator. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 780,000 or Jamaican $120 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.